You know, you gotta laugh at yourself when you're trying to film a video and you keep forgetting what on God's green earth you're saying. Come on, I'll show you what I'm up to. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button and click on this adorable bell and join me on my YouTube adventures. That is right. That is what we're calling it. Because I am obsessed with home decor. Obsessed with home decor. I am obsessed with shopping, but I vowed this year, let's see if I stick to it. I vowed this year that I was going to do high end on a budget. Yeah, so I'm only buying clearance stuff on sale, stuff that I think is an amazing, amazing deal, and that is it. We'll see how long it lasts. It's only January, you know. But for now, that's what we're doing. Okay, Bella, stop rambling. That's right. You're here to see the long-awaited bedroom transformation, right? I am floored. I am floored. Okay, I started this series way back in October. Then I put it on hold during Christmas because, you know, I was decorating for my favorite time of the year. But I was back. Last week, I showed how I reupholstered this headboard and how I transformed the bed. But today, I'm going to show you the entire room and show you how it's turned out. I am floored. I am going to leave the entire playlist link down below and I'll have it in my playlist. I think this is video number 4 or 5. I am not sure. I'll have to double check, but I am going to leave the playlist so you can go back and see where my thought process was and how I got it to this look. I think it looks amazing. I think it looks amazing. This is a vision board, creativity, a little bit of paint, everything pretty much I had, the thrift store stuff, some of it made it in here. Some thrift store stuff that I bought that you'll see that in one of the episodes. And honestly, a little elbow grease, a lot of creativity. And that's it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe the transformation. I'm going to bring you off the tripod and show you the entire room. It looks so high end. It has got the feeling of complete relaxation. It is so French country. The only thing it is missing is an amazing chandelier, which we will buy eventually, if I find it on clearance or on sale. We'll see about that. Or I'm just going to wait to get to my forever house, which is coming soon. Okay, enough of me rambling. You want to see the room? I know you want to see the room. And I'll be back at the very end to give you an update to see what I'm going to transform next. Because this one, even I won't believe I'm doing it. But you'll have to come back to the end. Okay, guys, let's start showing you the room. Okay, here's one last look of what it used to look like. Let's get into the bedroom now. Okay, guys, when you walk into my bedroom, I've showed this before, and this did not change at all. It's this little tiny square hallway that I have a giant mirror on and these two very pretty sconces. And this is what inspired it all. I saw this at Michael's and I went nuts. First of all, if you don't know, I used to live in Louisiana. New Orleans is a part of Louisiana, which I love. But if you've never been to Louisiana, you need to go. You ready? Let's go see the room. Okay, guys, here we are. The very, very long awaited bedroom tour. I'm going to go around and show you the things I've done and what I've done and what's new and what's different. Okay, the very first thing obviously you're going to notice is that all the bedroom furniture has been painted, and I'm going to bring you in closer so you can see. So I'm starting here at the entrance. This is my what I call my big dresser with the mirror. You've seen me haul these lampshades and pretty much everything that's on here. I just love it. I whitewashed and antiqued a little bit the lamps so you could see them there. Now, I do have to change out my picture frames because they are very, very silver and kind of blingy. They don't really match the theme. But since I brought up this arrangement that I'd made this on a video. I have a whole video on this, and I'm going to link it down below because I'm going to give you a thing. This is all Dollar Tree flowers. I know, Dollar Tree, right? In a old silver wine bucket, and I love it. And I just placed a little bird, and here's that really nice table runner. And then I just layered in the back the Paris sign, and then this other sign that I bought at Michael's. And I think it looks really good together. I'm going to pan back so you can see it a little bit better. Another view. And there. And then if you see the dresser here, it's been all painted and glazed with that same smoky glaze. And I roughed it up and antiqued it. And even the mirror, I think everything really, really ties in together. Okay, then on this side of the dresser, I put that painting that I recently hauled at Christmas tree shops. Guys, the colors fit in so perfect, and I cannot believe that I purchased this for only $19.99, and it is really substantial. Now that you see it on the wall, you get an idea of how big the painting really is. So I needed to fill in some space, and that's what I put there. Kind of regretting not getting the second one, but that's okay. So as we pan around, you see the night tables. This one turned out a little bit darker. This was one of the first things I started the glaze on, but that's okay. Trial and error, and it's fine. The glaze is a little bit more here, but I really like it. I just layered it with another arrangement. I'll go in close so you could see this arrangement. It's really pretty. It's like an urn. And as I mentioned before, I do have to change out the picture frames. And then I just placed one of those little pots that I hauled recently. This is my grandmother's antique jewelry box. So, yeah. And then there's that Michael's arch that I got way back when I started the series. These I had up. I still like them. I'm going to keep them there. Okay, now let's get to the bed because you guys all see this bed was transformed so much. Oh my God. I'm going to insert a before and after. And I don't know how I'm going to piece this video together. But I did change out the pillows a little bit from the last video you saw. I put these creamy gingham ones. And then that long one, it's actually blue. Let me see if I can come in closer and you can see the color a little bit better. It's not reading the right color on film, but it is a pale, pale blue. I think it looks gray, but let's see if we move around. Anyways, so this is what I did on top of the bed. I don't know if I love it. I might change it out. And then you can see the two night tables. They kind of mimic each other. There's a picture frame on both, a little book. So I kind of kept it symmetrical because of the arches. I really like the way it looks. Okay, and the sun is streaming in. It's such a beautiful, beautiful day here. And there you could, oh, there you go. You could see the actual color of the little pillow a little bit better. So there's the night table. And there it is. And this is what I keep on my bedside table always, is this little coaster. I know it's so blingy. It's so girly. It's a little mirrored coaster and then this little French tray. And there's a picture of me and my husband and some other little things and some perfumes. I keep my glasses there. I throw my earrings there, the remote control. Yeah, so that's it. And I think it looks great. Let me pan this way so you get another view of the bed. And you can see my laundry hamper down there. I am going to switch it out to something much lighter. And I have 2 shirts on top of there that I just recently bought. So I'm going to give you another view of the side of the room. There's the vision board down there. That's my vision. That's how this bedroom all came to be. This dresser's been fully painted, also glazed and distressed. I just have my TV up there. And over here between the entrance to my room and the bathroom door, this is an antique mirror. I'm going to show it to you because I actually really love this mirror. This was made by my grandfather for my grandmother when they got married. My grandfather was a mirror maker. So this is hand carved. Up here, the detail is hand carved by him. And it dates back to, they got married in 1918. So he made it around there. And then that's just the decal from the Dollar Tree, which I loved. And I just thought it was really nice. So, and I love that quote. So why not? So yeah, there you can see it again. I'll show you a little bit here. And I'm going to show you what I did for my curtains because I think they turned out really good. It is a beautiful, gorgeous sunny day here. And I just want to show you. So the curtains are just burlap. Not burlap, sorry, drop cloth. And I know you've seen this done many, many times. I didn't want it very thick. So what I did is I took one piece of the drop cloth and cut it in half and then just folded it and clipped it. And I know so many people on YouTube have shown this kind of thing before. Now, I put that wall decal, if you see that metal one right there, I put that there to have some symmetry with the mirror on the side. I'm going to go in closer, and there's my little vanity where I keep, you know, all the girly things. So here's a view of this French mirror. I can't remember where I got this actually, but I just lightly whitewashed it just to give the details some interest. And there you can see the drop cloth fabric. It's great, guys. This drop cloth is amazing. And I have plenty left over. So I actually am going to make a French table runner. And that'll be for my dining room. Because I think I'm going to transform the dining room. Here's the vanity. I hope the lighting does it justice. I distressed it. I made it look really old and antique. And I actually think this vanity, it's actually a desk. It started off as a desk. And my God, it's been in my family for so many years. But I really think I made it look really, really old. It used to be brown. I painted it again, painted it again. It's got this really nice top and the sun is streaming in. So this is all like, you know, my little makeup and brushes and perfumes and stuff like that. And my vanity mirror. And that's it, really. So let me give you another tour of the whole room. I think it turned out fantastic. It is so nice. Waking up to this in the morning. It is so nice going to sleep at night. Fresh new look for the fresh new year. And oh my God, I'm just loving these lamps so much. I hope some of you got a chance to go to Hobby Lobby and get them. Just panning back because I don't think I mentioned this. I did get this little carpet and I did put the little bench at the foot of the bed so you could see it all together. It looks really good. Looks really, really good. I'm really happy with it. The only thing I need to do is chalk paint the legs of the bench. But that bench is ancient, guys. My God, I was trying to think when I got it. I know it's from Walmart, and I think it's back in the year 1999. And truthfully, it's back in style. So, hey, why not? I think it looks good. I really love the bedding. I am going to leave the link to the bedding down below. I just wanted to give you another look and so you could see the bedroom all together. So there we go. And I think it's a huge transformation from where we started and where it is today. So yeah. Now, if this was my forever home, I would get a chandelier. Let me show you the lighting. It's just one of those, you know, upside down saucer lighting. If you're going to do this kind of thing, this room definitely needs a chandelier. I think that would be the, like, just the cherry on top. And if this was my forever home, I would have done hardwood floors and gotten a bigger rug, but in the same colors. And you know what's funny now that I look at this? This carpet is a little more blue, and it really does tie in with that little blue pillow. And if you're interested in that pillow, I just recently bought it at Home Goods. Yeah. So there you go. That is it. That is the whole room. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you lots and lots of inspiration that you can take anything, and transform it into something amazing. I highly recommend a vision board, a mood board, or whatever you want to call it. I call it a vision board. It's really a mood board. Get your paint samples done on there. Put pictures of rooms that you love, inspirations, what it makes you feel like. I wanted something lovely and calming and, Instagram worthy. Because, we gotta, step it up. Anyways, I hope you liked this room tour. I had a blast doing it. I love the way it turned out. I'm really happy with it. Now I'm proud of my bedroom. I'm finally proud of my bedroom. It will evolve. It will evolve. I'll bring things in, take things out, change paintings. I'm that kind of girl. I can't leave things alone. I think it's great. It honestly looks Instagram worthy. And this is my favorite part, the bed. The bed to me is just, yeah, it's my favorite part. I love it. I love it. I love it. I know it's a big bed for one lady, right? But, I'm willing and able now to go on some dates if anybody wants to set me up. I'm just joking. I'm in a really good mood, by the way. If you can't tell, it is Friday. I'm super excited for the weekend. Oh, I cannot wait for the weekend. Anyways, have a fantastic weekend. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Like, comment, and share. You guys know I'm trying to grow my channel, so I totally appreciate it. And I love my subscribers, each and every one of you, so much. I have the best subscribers in all of YouTube. I truly have the best subscribers in all of YouTube. I hope you guys have the most fantastic weekend. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you on Monday. Mwah! Bye, guys! Have a fantastic weekend. Hey, YouTube. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm the girl with the barking dog, Mia.